Welcome. During this video we will introduce you to ArcGIS Pro. To get started, select Map from the New Project options. A new project will open. If you are connected to the internet, ArcGIS Pro will open with a background map and center the map to your location in the world. Take a moment to look around the screen. Start at the top and work your way down. Next, start from the left and work your way right. Do not be overwhelmed. There is a lot to take in, but we will walk you through the different elements over the course of this video. As you can see, there are many elements to this software. Quick access tools are at the top left. You can customize these. The Save button is important. The overhead menus contain a range of tools that allow you to interact with the data. More on these later. On the left, in the Contents pane, the geographic layers that you have added to the map will be listed. Tables will be added here too and be visible using the database symbol. All geographic layers will be displayed on the map canvas. This is also where you will be able to interact with your data. To the right of the map, you can see the tools that are available. To the right of the toolboxes, any tools can be pinned for quick access. That is a lot to take in. Now that you have the general layout of where everything is, let's dig a little deeper. Next, we will go through each of the 9 overhead menus and highlight some of the key tools. Take a moment to look through the overhead menus. With over 9 overhead menus and a large variety of tools, it is time for you to explore and become familiar with the essential tools. To get you started, we will highlight some of the key tools on each of the overhead menus. Here are navigation tools so that you can zoom in and out of the map, add data, change the background map, query the data in different ways, and measure between features. These tools allow you to add data. These contain tools so that you can conduct different types of analysis, create and transform your data, and manage your data. These tools enable you to script and build models. If you accidentally remove your content pane or cannot find your toolbox, then click on these icons to reactivate them. These containing data editing and creation tools. This overhead menu contains imagery-related tools, including the georeferencing tools. Last, but not least, the Save Image or Export a Map so that you can share your results. That covers the essential overhead menu tools. To summarize, during this video we introduced you to ArcGIS Pro so that you can start a new project. To get you started, we also highlighted the main elements and the key tools for you to explore. Now, it's your turn to explore ArcGIS Pro. For more information, visit our website.